Bless up people, today's video is a review of Mavado's latest music video, Progress. The rhythm was produced by Mineral Boss Record in collaboration with Gullyside Records, / under the umbrella of We The Best. Let's check out a sample, then I will review.
We not in a nothing with you. If you're not showing no progress, man figure through life without no stress. Be friends with some people that's hopeless. Cause them and them talk about things and them screw. I just saw them tongue tan. As to when your bread come from, a jail bunk them want see man head pan. Are your nice life them want see you dead from.
It's been at least a year or so since we've last seen Mavado in a dancehall music video. I think the last video that we saw him in was Up Like 7. Yes, we've seen him featured in RR's video Crazy in Love, but I am talking about his own individual video. Mavado kept it real simple, real streets, precise and to the point. When you are the Gully God and the dancehall Tupac, one of the ears to the street, you know exactly what the people can relate to and what you need to do to deliver it to them. It's like he has an unlock code for the street anthems. The video kept it gully and grimy, real gangster to the core. It indirectly sent a subtle but effective message. From the looks in the eyes and the demeanor of Mavado and the cars, you knew they were sending a clear message to the haters and hypocrites. Step back and don't try to rain on the Progress Parade. There was no need to display guns, violence or aggression. The theme of the video was just step on them neatly. People already know what time it is. The message was very clear and Mavado knows that he has a respect of the ghetto people on the street. He does not need to prove that he's a gangster. Like they say in the street, what is understood don't need to be explained. This video touches on some very important cause of the street and life that you have to live by if you want to survive and sidestep the obstacle. It tells you about the hypocritical people, the ones who pretend to be your friend but deep down they are plotting your demise and want to see you fall even dead. It tells you that they will spread all kind of propaganda against you. They will try to drain your energy. Mavado warns you that you need to stay away from the hopeless people that are not trying to make any progress in life. You need to cut them off once you start getting those bad vibe signs and start feeling that negative energy. Another message from this video is that you should never give up in life. Never get to the point where you throw up your hands in surrender. Don't dwell and drown in your own sorrows. Keep your foot to that pedal and that pedal to the metal. Press that gas and keep grinding once you have the breath of life. And always make progress with whatever little blessings that you have. This video was well worth the wait. However, I think that we need to see Mavado do more videos for more of his hit songs more often. I don't know what the deal is with that, but I think that him and his team are overlooking the importance of visuals with these hit songs. My advice is that they might want to be more consistent with these videos. People, what do you think about this new video? Do you think it was too plain? Do you think that it is simple but precise and to the point? Do you think that Mavado needs to start putting out more videos on a more regular basis? Let me know your views in the comment section. Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bless up. One love.